Presenting EvenTile, the superior method to guarantee correct spacing and leveling. The EvenTile system is easy to use and helps you avoid tile lippage in 3 simple steps. Begin by sliding the clip you need for the grout line width size you're using under each corner of each tile. Place the clips about 2 inches from the corners. After you've finished laying all the joining tiles and have all the clips in place, simply insert the wedge, part B, completely through the clip. Tighten by hand or with the EvenTile Pro pliers. Ensure all the tiles are level with one another. Allow 24 hours for the mastic or mortar to cure. Then just kick the wedges with the toe of your boot to break off the clip stem, or you can use a rubber mallet. Be sure to save the wedges, part B, so you can use them again. EvenTile clips are available in 3 sizes, 1/32, 1/16, and 1/8 inch spacers. That means you save even more time and money by not buying extra spacers. The EvenTile system is stable, strong, tough. The end result is stunning. Tile like a pro with EvenTile.